Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Knowledge. In this video, I will discuss 5 methods by which you can check whether a number is even or odd. You can apply this logic in any programming language. I have used Python language. There are lots of other methods to check whether a number is odd or even. You can share your ideas in the comments section. So, let's start the video. Method 1. Even odd with the help of modulus operator. Method 2. Even odd with the help of Bitwise operator. Method 3. Check even odd number without bitwise or modulus operator. Method 4. Modified version of Method 3. Method 5. Check even odd number with the help of while loop.
So, I hope you liked this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And, if you have any other method to check that number is even or odd, then you can share with me in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and colleagues. We will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.